If you're deciding between Webull and Thinkorswim, here's the breakdown. Webull is a modern, commission-free platform that's perfect for everyday investors and active retail traders. It offers free stock, ETF, and options trading, clean charts, a social community, extended hours trading, and even paper trading for practice. The app is sleek, mobile-first, and easy to use, making it great for beginners or anyone who wants a simple way to trade without paying high fees. Thinkorswim by Charles Schwab, on the other hand, is built for serious and professional traders who need advanced capabilities. It's one of the most powerful platforms available, offering in-depth charting with hundreds of indicators, custom scripting, real-time scanners, professional-level research, paper money for simulated trading, and access to stocks, options, futures, and forex. The trade-off is that Thinkorswim can feel overwhelming and heavy for beginners, while Webull keeps things fast, smooth, and user-friendly. So, if you want a lightweight, beginner-friendly trading app, Webull is the clear choice. But if you need advanced analytics, multi-asset support, and pro-grade tools, Thinkorswim is hard to beat. Which one would you choose? Webull or Thinkorswim? Drop your answer in the comments and subscribe for more trading breakdowns.